Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I have a Sony MDR-100ABN headphones, and I'm going to replace the ear pads on these. This process and ear pads are compatible with the models on the left. Here you can identify which headphones you have. These are our Central Sound replacement ear pads for this model. It includes 2 ear pads and a tool to remove the old ear pad. Very easy to remove. Insert the tool, pry upward, and then away. There are small plastic clips that hold the ear pad in place, and they come off fairly easily. With the new ear pad, you want to align the seam on the bottom. Once it's positioned in place, just squeeze and you will hear snaps, and just check to make sure it's secure. And that's it. Very simple process. You can order these from us at Central Sound.